Hi candidates, you're welcome to yet another lesson in social studies. Today we're going to look at the climatic regions of Africa. We have 7 different climatic regions in Africa, and these ones include desert climate, tropical climate, equatorial climate, Mediterranean climate, temperate climate, mountain climate, can also refer to it as mountain climate, but it's mostly known as mountain climate, same desert climate. Now, all these take the note of Mediterranean. Examiners want the Mediterranean mostly, simply because of the spelling. Many candidates mess up with the spelling of Mediterranean climate. Now, let us look at these regions on the map of Africa. This is a map of Africa showing all the climatic regions. The first one, just as I said, it is desert. Desert climate, this is the desert climate. This is the Sahara Desert. We have also another desert in this part of the southern part of Africa. So these are desert climate or desert climatic regions. We also have the equatorial. Equatorial is this part here. This is the equatorial region. It is from the central region, and we shall look at the countries that are found in this area. But this is the equatorial region. We have also the tropical climate. Tropical climate covers this region here. It is the largest climatic region in Africa. We shall look at the factors that make this region to be the largest later. But this region here is the tropical region. Covers the largest part of Africa. We have the same desert climate. Same desert is small. It's near the deserts. This small part near the Sahara Desert and near the Namib Desert. This is same desert climate. We also have the Mediterranean. Not about the Mediterranean climate. It's only found at the southern tip of South Africa. This is Cape Town. Then northern tip of Africa, near the Mediterranean Sea. So it's found near the Mediterranean Sea and at the southern tip of South Africa. Then you also have the mountain climate. This one is also experienced in areas that have mountains, more especially in the Ethiopian highlands, these areas here. Even when you look at the Drakensberg in South Africa, that's why you find the mountain climatic region. Just as you hear the word mountain, this one is found in mountainous areas, in highland areas. So most of the areas that have mountains experience the mountain climate. We have the temperate climate. This one is found in South Africa. It's only found in South Africa, temperate climate. So we shall look at one by one. We have the Mediterranean climate or Mediterranean climatic region. I told this region is in South Africa at Cape Town and also near the Mediterranean Sea. Tunisia, Libya, then Morocco, around this region. So let us look at the Mediterranean climate and how you can describe it. This one is described as hot and wet, hot and dry. Mediterranean climate is described as hot and dry summers, warm and wet winters. Mediterranean climate is described as hot and dry summers, warm and wet winters. Major seasons in this Mediterranean climate. We have, there are four. The first one is spring. We have winter, autumn, and summer. Spring, winter, autumn, and summer. Those are the four seasons in this Mediterranean climatic region. Mediterranean climatic region is experienced in Western Africa and also in the southern tip of Cape of Province of South Africa. It is also experienced in areas near the Mediterranean Sea. We've already seen that. Now, countries in Africa that experience this Mediterranean climate, we have Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, and South Africa. Those are the countries that experience the Mediterranean climate. What are the characteristics of Mediterranean climate? How can you tell that this Mediterranean climate? One, it has hot and dry summers. It has cold and wet winters. It has high temperatures during the summer season. It has warm and dry springs and autumn. It experiences moderate temperatures during the winter season. It receives moderate rainfall, especially during the winter season. The Mediterranean climate is famous for the growing of citrus fruits. Famous for the growing of citrus fruits. When we talk about citrus fruits, what rings to your mind should be South Africa, should be that region of the Mediterranean region. Economic activities in this region. This region has a lot of economic activities. We have mining, tourism, industrialization, livestock farming. Basically, this is the sheep and the goats. Crop farming, basically the citrus fruits. Now, examples of the citrus fruits. We have lemons, we have the oranges, the grapes, the limes, and the tangerines. These are examples of the citrus fruits. Now, what are some of the products we get from the citrus fruits? We get wine and juice. Now, below we have the graph showing the Mediterranean climate. This side shows rainfall. This side shows the temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. So, when you look at below, we have the month of the year from January up December. Little rainfall. It has even the dry spell in July. What you must note with the Mediterranean climate is that they always ask about the temperature range. When they ask you the temperature range, look at the highest temperature, then the lowest. So it is, temperature range is, when you want to get temperature range, it is highest temperature, then the lowest temperature. For this case, temperature, the highest we have 30, and the lowest we have 10. So if one get the temperature range of this region, it is 30 minus 10. What do you get? Don't forget the units, because if you give the answer without the units, degrees Celsius, no mark for you. So you don't have this graph in our books. We are going to draw this very graph on page 133. Then there is also the activity on page 132. Dear candidates, I thank you for being good children. Stay home, wash your hands. Thank you so much.